Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect a proxy in the Telegram app to improve speed and access. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the Telegram app. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Type Proxy and look for MT Proxy options. Telegram will show you available proxy servers. Here, you'll see different proxies with their ping, MS. Make sure to select the one with the lowest MS, because that usually gives you a faster and more stable connection. After selecting the proxy, simply tap on Connect. Once connected, your Telegram will start using that proxy automatically. And that's it! You've successfully connected a proxy in Telegram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.